Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export STL for 3D printing in FreeCAD. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first what you're going to do is go to the model tree right here at the left sidebar, and then what you're going to do is click on the final parent object you want to print to highlight it. So yeah, let's do it like that. So now it's highlighted. Okay, the second thing is we go to the file on the top menu bar, and then you will see here export option. So select that. Then we need just select where we want it to export it. Now here under the save as a type, we need to find and select STL. And yeah, after that STL mesh, this one is correct, and after that we just hit save, and yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next